learning how to make a chainsaw start. Gotta follow the instructions.
Details. Just can't hear me, it's all good.
Well, okay, on the second when it's hot, you do 1, pull it up, pumper 6 good times.
Oh, I forgot my car was running.
3, put this down.
Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna move over there then. Okay. Because I gotta walk through all this BS.
Where's my chicken?
Oh, Lily! Oh, you want me to take her? Oh, Lily. Lily, hi, Lily. Oh, Stay with me, baby. Stay with me. It's okay, baby. I got the baby chicky in my hand. It's okay, Lily. It's okay. We don't go see Mama right now. Please don't poop on me. Okay, so we gotta pay attention to the chicky and make sure we don't get hit by a tree. So, oh my gosh, you're cute. Look at this Lily. I don't care if she poops on me. She's real cute. Okay. I actually think that... No, baby, no! I actually think that tree is supposed to fall like right where I am. So we're gonna go over here, and at least then hopefully I'll keep chicky cheese and rice. Can't even see anything. We'll see the tree fall though, I guess. So that's good, huh? Okay, Chicky, I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. Don't go over there. Okay, you can kind of see her. Dang it! It's too much brush. I just want to see this tree go down. Oh shit, look at that. And it didn't go through the fence! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh, it's just short of the fence too. That's perfect. Yahoo! Yeah! Yeah! That's perfect too. Yeah!